Don't wanna waste my days. I want to spend them on enjoyment. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Your baby girl here. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Vonvicky Talks. Here I do everything lifestyle. I give you guys news on healthcare and anything I feel is important to share with you guys. So it is vibes and inshallah on this channel. So welcome to the channel and subscribe, okay? Anyways, you guys, I don't want to waste my time on anything. I'll give my mata kele. I want to spend my time and days on enjoyment. Hence, your baby girl is on the road again. Hence, I'm making another trip. Oh no! Shout it in the comment section. Yes. After my last trip, when I went to Spain with Faith, and Ryanair showed me Shege Banza Pro Max, I decided that no airline will show me that Shege again. No airline will make me pay money that I don't want to pay. It's not because I don't have the money, but you cannot be taking the piece for what? For 1 centimeter. Nah. So I decided to get this backpack. Okay, I've had it for a long time. If you watch my videos where I carry my lunchbox, this is the bag that lunchbox came with. So everything I'm going to be using for the next 3 to 4 days is in this bag. If you not do for me, I give it up to Jesus. Okay, I can't come back here myself. So yes, I'm going to Greece. I'm going to Athens, okay? And this time I'm going with my baby girl Zubi. I said this year is all about enjoyment. Last 2 years of me staying in the United Kingdom, I tried my possible best to explore half of the United Kingdom. Okay, I think I went to Wales, I went to Scotland, I live in England, I touched different parts of England. The only place I haven't touched in the United Kingdom is Northern Ireland, but we're going to get there very soon. Okay, but now your girl is outside. Okay. So I'm going to Greece, I'm going to Athens. There was no need carrying you guys along. Everything I have is in this bag. My makeup, my deodorant, my clothes for the days, my heels. I'll wear 1 sneakers. I'll just manage myself, okay? But just know that we're going to still give what we're supposed to give, period. So yes guys, I have finished packing. I'm cleaning my house. I'm one of those people that don't like to leave my house dirty whenever I travel because I want to come back to a clean environment. I have a little bit of OCD here and there, okay? So yeah, I'm just cleaning my house right now and I have a party tonight. I'm going for the party. I'm going on a long day. I'm going to take the bus to London because the prices of trains these days is ridiculous. And this trip was kind of an impromptu trip. I'm like, Zubi said let's travel. I'm like, girl, okay. And yes, the last trip I went for, Faith paid the hotel room. I forgot to say it in that vlog. So shout out to Faith or Johnny. And now Zubi is paying the... These girls have money. Have people that have money. All you have to do is what? Enjoy. So if you want us to travel, take care of the trip. Don't worry, I'll take care of my flights. Take care of the necessities and I will be with you on that trip. I can't come and die, okay? So yeah, I'm so excited to go to Greece because this weather be weathering. I don't know how the weather in Greece is, but I heard it's not as cold as it is in the United Kingdom. So I'll carry you guys along and I'll catch up with you guys in the rest of the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Peace out. Alexa, play. I don't charge my energy. I don't get time for no enemy. Can we get it together? Get it together. I really want to stay. I really want to know. I really need to know. Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
I'm at the bus now, going to London, okay? But I'm so tired, but enjoyment must enjoy. This life.
Need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I'm still checking with you. I know that I need.
It was the next day and I took the bus to the airport, which has been the most affordable decision I have made in a long time, okay? As usual, guys, I am in London Luton Airport. Same airport I traveled in the last time. Same airport I'm in again. So let's go. Due to my last experience with Ryanair, I decided to travel with Wizz Air, and it was an amazing experience. Okay, thumbs up to Wizz Air and good customer service as well. So I waited for my flight to Athens, baby, and we took off. It was so real. We waiting Greece this week. I don't know, but yeah, enjoy. Then we got to Athens and I just felt like I was in a new world. The weather was so warm. I was just so excited. This is me just feeling myself. Now, let me tell you guys, the airport in Athens is one of the longest airports I have seen, because from arrival to departure, he's a lot. Have all the frames of people that have visited and what they have to say about Athens. And I must tell you guys, Athens is a beautiful place. When it comes to transportation, best believe that Uber works in Athens, okay? And all the cabs in Athens are yellow, whether Uber or just normal taxi. Anyways, the Uber I ordered came to pick us up and it took us directly to our hotel. The road was so smooth, babies. I got to this hotel and this hotel is so beautiful and it is called the Stanley Hotel in Athens. The location is close to everything and anything you want. The interior is amazing. The customer service is amazing. They even had to change our room. When they gave us the first room and we didn't like the first room, they had to change it, my guys. Like, I love me a good customer service. Everywhere was so aesthetically pleasing as per usual. Okay, our bedroom was neat. The views we got from the bedroom, neat. We had towels to our satisfaction. When we asked for soap or anything we needed, it was given to us. So if you're visiting Athens, I can tell you to visit or stay in the Stanley Hotel, and best believe that it is also available. Anyways, baby girl dressed up because baby girl needed to have some dinner, okay? And we went out to get some dinner. In this life, have money. Jesus, what sort of girl is this? You guys, we're still walking about food hunting and it's been raining. Look at my hair. Because we want to go to KFC and we want to see what the city is looking like. And we're hungry. We want to eat what we know before we start eating Greek food. Make person no go die this night. It's almost 1 a.m. babies. But trust your girls to live the life. Oh yeah, look at this auntie's hair. You idiots. Good morning, guys. Alright, today is day 2 of my stay in Greece and I'm at the balcony in my hotel room, and this is what my view is looking like this morning. Okay, I love this. So if you can look down, that's the Acropolis building down there, or the Acropolis not building, whatever, that's it. Okay, so I love it. Yes, guys, love. Okay.